Guys, so how do you think we are going to factorize this? Okay, any idea? And also I would like to ask, which identity would you use for this? Okay, so be with me. Let's see how we deal with this and find the factors of the above algebraic expression. Okay, so any idea, any guesses? I think you must be thinking hard. Okay, most of you have got the answer also, and I think you're right. So isn't it this identity you were thinking about? So guys, quite smart on your part. So let's go ahead and try to settle, okay, as per this. Okay, we have a cube here, here, all, and 3 ABC. So we clearly know there are cubes over here, but how? Let's find out. Okay, so we have x cube, which is very straightforward. 8y cube is equal to 2y whole cube, isn't it? 64 4 z whole cube, correct? Then we have 3x, and what about my next one? This is clearly 2y, okay, and then I have 4z, isn't it? Which is equal to, so left hand side we have finished, right hand side we have to get it. So which is x plus 2y plus 4z, isn't it? So x plus 2y plus 4z. So this is the first factor, okay, which comprises of a plus b plus c. In this case it is x, and here 2y and 4z. Okay, so we want only the singular form of this. All right, now we have the next factor to resort. Okay, so how? A square, x is my a, so x square, okay, so x square, correct. B is my 2y, that also square. C is my 4z, that to be square. And then I have AB, okay. So A is my x dot, B is my 2y, okay. So then we can put this also into bracket, okay. Next we have BC, because 2y dot and C is this, correct. And then last one is CA, 4z, okay, and x. So alphabetically, okay, we can write, but first let us settle with this, okay, as per the identity. Alright guys, so here we are, okay, with the identity. Now we need to simplify this on the left hand side first. So we have x cube, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Basically we have to write this, okay, because 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, and this is 4 into 4 into 4 is 64, and 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and y into y is that, okay. So simply copy guys, okay, don't waste time over this. Next what we have is this 2 4 x y z, okay. So I have a video on explanation of the derivation of this, okay. So that is under the playlist algebraic expressions, okay, identities, okay, algebraic identities. So if you want to get into the details, to go and watch it, okay. So this part we have done, which is equal to, okay, this one is already straightened up, simplified fully, so we merely copy this, okay. So next what do we have over here is this portion, okay. So this, the second portion. So Continued here, we have x square. This is plus 4y square plus 16z square, and this is minus 2xy, and 2 into 4 is 8 minus 8yz. Okay, and then we have minus 4xz. Okay, 4xz. So close bracket. Now this is supposed to be your answer, and you have found your two factors, okay, of this. Is that clear, guys? So it's not rocket science, it's very simple. Okay, just do remember that you have to hit on the right identity when you get sums like this. Okay, instead of breaking up and trying to, okay, resort to several other combinations, that wouldn't work. So it's better you visualize this one. Okay, when you see something like 3 cubes and others, okay, there can be sums, okay, similar to this, having different signs over here. So in future we are going to take them, so which can get a little, okay, twisted, but they aren't very difficult. So I'm sure you will be able to crack them. Okay guys, that's